Welcome to our YouTube video introducing the best Sun Joe SPX 3000 electric high-pressure washer. Get ready to experience the power of cutting-edge technology combined with unrivaled efficiency. Designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks, this high-pressure washer ensures superior performance with every use. Say goodbye to stubborn grime and hello to sparkling surfaces. Elevate your cleaning experience to new heights with the best Sun Joe SPX 3000 electric high-pressure washer, the ultimate cleaning companion of the year 2024. Harnessing a formidable 14.5 amp and 1800 watt motor, this powerhouse generates up to 2030 psi and 1.76 gallons per minute of water flow, delivering an unparalleled cleaning experience across a myriad of surfaces. Crafted with a wobble plate piston pump type and designed for corded operation at 120 volts, this electric pressure washer stands as a beacon of efficiency for all your cleaning tasks. From reviving tired-looking cars to rejuvenating weather-worn fences, patios, and homes, its versatility knows no bounds. Even daunting cleaning projects like RVs, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, and lawn equipment are effortlessly tackled with its might. Dual 0.9L onboard detergent tanks grant the flexibility to switch between cleaning solutions seamlessly, enhancing efficacy for each task. With the Total Stop System, TSS, energy conservation and pump longevity become second nature as the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is disengaged. Navigating through cleaning challenges is made simple with the inclusion of 5 quick connect spray tips, catering to different angles and intensities, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap. And for those hard-to-reach areas, the 34-inch extension spray wand extends your reach effortlessly. Portability meets convenience with rear wheels facilitating easy maneuverability around your yard. Equipped with a 20-foot high-pressure hose, a 35-foot power cord, and a garden hose adapter, this pressure washer is a comprehensive cleaning solution. Sun Joe SPX 3000 stands tall as an emblem of quality and performance. With maximum pressure clocking at 2030 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute, this electric pressure washer redefines the standards of outdoor cleaning. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for future reviews.